Hello, in today's tutorial we will learn how to design responsive home page using Bootstrap. To start the work, first you have to download the Bootstrap from this location getbootstrap.com and jQuery from this location jQuery.com. I have already downloaded the files and you can download from this location. Go to getbootstrap.com and download Bootstrap option and download Bootstrap. For jQuery, you can download the jQuery from this download jQuery button. Third step is to open a new HTML document and link the jQuery and Bootstrap files. After downloading the Bootstrap, you will get these folders CSS and JS, and jQuery files is stored at jQuery.js. Now I will create link of jQuery file and Bootstrap's JS file, and you need to link another CSS file which is under CSS folder, that is bootstrap main.css. So first I am going to open a new HTML document, and in the head section I will create the link with these files. Suppose our title of the page is Bootstrap tutorial. Okay, first I am going to attach the jQuery file using script tag, and next link the bootstrap main.js file. Here you can see the bootstrap main.js file is under JS folder, and I will save the HTML file in this location. So just write JS slash bootstrap dot main dot js. So jQuery file and bootstrap main.js file is attached here. Next step is to link the style sheet file of Bootstrap, which is under CSS folder, bootstrap main.css. For linking style sheet, we use link tag link href equal to CSS slash bootstrap dot main dot css. Okay, our jQuery file, bootstrap main.js file and CSS file, 3 files are attached here. Now I can go for the next step. Before that, I am going to save the file. Save the file in this location where the Bootstrap folders are stored. Home page .html. Okay, save the file, and next step is to divide the page in 3 parts: header, main content and footer. For header and footer, I am using a navbar here, so write the code like this: div This will be our heading div. Next, nav tag for navbar, div, and end tag of the navbar. Okay, first I am going to add heading here for my home page using h1 heading. Bootstrap home page. Suppose this is my heading. To make the heading as a title heading, I will use some custom CSS here. For that, I am creating a new CSS file. Suppose the title class will be look like this. Text align center, text shadow, text shadow 1px, 1px, 2px, RGBA to make a transparent effect. 0, 0, 0 means black. 0.5 and color, font color. Okay, this is our custom title class, and save the file before using it. Style.css. Okay, now attach this link here. Style.css. Okay, now I am using the title class here. Class equal to title. Okay, this is our heading part. Next is navigation part. For using navbar by Bootstrap, the class navbar will be used in nav tag. Class equal to navbar, hyphen default, and the role will be navigation. Okay. Next, implement the unordered list to show the item in the neighbor. And suppose there are 4 items: home, service, about us, and contact us. And for each item an anchor element will be added here. href equal to initially I am setting hash here and change it later. Data toggle equal to tab. Okay, and the link text will be home. Just copy this li for 3 times. Now change the link text. About us and contact us. Okay, our unordered list is completed for header. Now I am going to add the footer. For footer, I will add another neighbor tag. Class equal to neighbor default and another class neighbor fixed bottom. Style, inline style for the bottom, height 10 pixels. And next use a div to set the footer text. Align center, copyright, add tutorials for your help. Okay, this is our header, this is our footer. Our third step is to divide the page in three parts: header, main content, and footer. Now I am going to create the main content or middle of the page. To do this, I am declaring a div tag here. And class row. And next is to divide the row in 4 and 8 columns. Div class equal to call hyphen md4. This is one div, and another child div will be md8. Total 12 columns. Okay. After this, I am going to add panel for both two divs. So first, working on div class equal to panel default and next I will add later next styling another div for panel heading. Class panel heading. Okay. Next part is to create the unordered list as left navigation. Well, here I am going to use nav and nav stack class of Bootstrap. And list item class will be drop down. Class drop down toggle attribute data toggle for the drop down. href equal to hash. And the link text will be courses. To add the caret symbol, here I am using Bootstrap caret class. Main tag of the anchor element. Next, add another border list to show the sub menu. And li. Data toggle drop down. I am copying the text from here. Data toggle not drop down. Here will be tab. And suppose the item is HTML. Tag and li. Just copy this li for the next two items. And this one is CSS and JavaScript. Okay, a sub menu is created, and last intake of this li. Now add another 3 items of the left navigation. I'm just going to copy this text for 3 times. Suppose next item is teacher. Practice. And exam. Okay, this part is completed. Left side of the middle part. Next 8 column will show the corresponding content related to this link. So for this I am going to add another div here. Just copying this part, sorry, this part. And the next step, for adding panel heading. The content for the above div, the content of this div is menu, or title or heading of this div is menu, and this one is site information. Okay, now our next part is to add a simple image and paragraph in the right panel of the middle content. For this I am going to adding another div to show the content. Div id equal to home class equal to tab pen fed class in class active class. Okay, next, first child of this div is image tag to attach style load left and padding right 5px. Right 5px. Okay, next, source. I will use bg.jpg file as an image. Source equal to images slash bg.jpg. Okay, next, set the height and width of the image. Height 50 and width 50. Okay, next, add a paragraph as a home text. Welcome to our class. Okay, next, this div part is completed, which will display initial content when the page will load, and I will declare other 4 tips to display content depends on navigation menu. Div id equal to tc class equal to tap in pad and div content will be teacher information. And this text will be displayed when the user click the teacher link. Same way, I am going to add other 3 divs for practice, exam and HTML. Set different ID for each div. This is for practice, this is for exam, this is for HTML. Okay, and set different content, practice information, exam information and HTML course information. HTML course information. Okay. Our all child divs are created. Now check for every intake of div. There was one intake missing. Now run the file and see how it looks like. If it looks like this, that means our Bootstrap file is not working. Now check for this. Bootstrap means CSS and this is the jQuery. Okay, now again run the program. Now Bootstrap is working but not properly displaying the content. Here this is our footer and I want to drop it downwards. Next, correct the header section first. It is working. Now I want to set this one right side of this panel. So correct this part. Now save it and again run in the browser. This color effect is shown here. Just add this div also. Okay. Okay, now add this class with its content div. Okay, one div is missing here. Now look is approximately correct. Now I want to display this content downwards. For this I have to change the footer part. Just add a break here. Refresh the page. Okay, you can manage this by changing the height of this div. Okay, our next part is to, when I click teacher, then teacher information will be displayed here. When practice information, exam information. I have already created these divs content here, just need to display in the content area. For this here the ID value will be used. For teacher, ID is TC. For practice exam, ID is PC, which is set here, and for exam ID is EX. And for HTML content, the ID is HTML. Must add hash here to identify the ID. And for HTML, okay, again save the file and refresh the browser. Teacher information, which are displaying from here. Practice information. Exam information. And other course HTML. This is HTML information. And next, if I want to display the home text, which is initially displayed in our page when it is load, that is welcome to our class. If I want to display when the home button is pressed, then I need to change the code here for home navigation, which are displaying here home ID div. So just type home here. Refresh the page. Practice information, home information. I think now you will be able to design a simple Bootstrap home page using this tutorial. Thank you for watching.